Okay, so we need to find all the values, and we're given that f is half of c and r is equal to 7. Okay, so let me rewrite this. EAT F7 EE, and this is EKAC. So really the only given value is 7. So f has to be half of c. So for example, then c cannot be an odd number. Then f becomes a decimal. So c has to be either 2, right? 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Only 4 possibilities. Okay. So if this is c, the corresponding f value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So f can only be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, so f and c is located right here. Now, if you add these two values, because they're single digits, the largest it can be is, a 2-digit value starting with 1, right? So 1 something. In other words, 1's going to carry up. Okay, 1's going to carry up. So c really can just be 1 bigger than f. 1 bigger than f. That leaves c to be 2 and f to be 1. That's the only choice, right? This has to be 1 and this has to be 2. So really we're dealing with this. All of this is not valid. Now, because this is 2, that means 1 must have carried up from e plus a. So e plus 7 must be, something that starts with 1. Okay, so that means e, right? E has to be either 3, 4, up to maximum of 9. Okay, so it can't be 1 and 2. Okay, so a, so if e is equal to 3, a is 0. If it's 4, it's 1, right? If it's 5, it's 2, and the maximum, if it's 9, it's going to be 6. Okay. Okay, so that's still quite complicated. Let's look at this here, right? EE. So we have t plus e. So t plus e is equal to e, right? E or maybe 1 carried up. So t plus e is going to be 10 plus e. Okay, and e can only be from 3 to 9. Okay, 3 all the way to 9. Okay, so the only way this can be true is if t is equal to 0. Okay, and that's a good choice for t. And there's no way this can equal to true. If t plus c is equal to 10 plus c, that means t has to be 10, right? T has to be 10, and we can't have a 2-digit value there. So this tells us t is equal to 0. So let's transfer that over. EA0, 1, 7, EE, right? 2AKE. Okay, so now we're almost there. Okay, we're 70% there. Okay, so we have e plus 7 is equal to something 10 plus a. That's what we have. Okay, at this point, why don't we just plug in a value? Okay, so here's a list of values that we have. Let's plug in a large value, like maybe an 8. Okay, so if it was e is 8, we get 0, 8, 8, a, 8, k, right? This is 8, 7. That gives you 16, 26. Now, that right there, we just got the value of a. So if you have 6 plus 8, right? 6 plus 8, right? We'll get, right, 6 plus 8, we'll get 14. And this will change though. Do you see that? So we don't want this to change. We don't want that to change. They have to be the same value. So 8 doesn't work. Certainly 9 won't work. Let's try a smaller value like a 6. So when we plug in 6, we get 0, 6, 6, a 6k, 6, 7, that gives you 13, 1, 2. So here's 3. If you plug in 3 in here, right? 3 plus 6 gives you 9. So that's okay because these two are same now. Okay. So a valid value for E will be 6, right? And since A is got to be 3 less than that from here, 3, that works out, right? So what do we have here? We have T, A, and we found, yeah, we found everything, right? So we found E to be 6, F, we found it to be 1 and 2. Okay, so we're done.